Good morning. So I wanted to start off by discussing the little bits of mail I have gotten the last couple days because I've been super slack at sitting down and actually doing the sharing part. So first off, I wanted to share this card. I got this from Leah over at Leah's Handmade Crafts. It's a really sweet Christmas card. And inside, she included a beautiful star ornament. Next up, I have this really, really pretty bag. This came from Miss Allie Makes. She is also in Australia. And with this came, I've already got other stuff in here. Let's see, mailing label. There's her card. Look at that. Isn't that hilarious? And there's more. The bag, she shipped everything in. She got this like so neatly wrapped up. Not just the closing ribbons in there. I love this fabric. Troy just heard me going, oh my God, it's so cute. So we have a tea. Yummy, 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 yummy. And we have a sweet little koala ornament. It's adorable. Well, I'm getting messages, as is frequently the case. And then this, I actually got from Rel over at the Dabbling Hug. This I actually purchased from her. So when she said she shared them on Instagram and then it automatically shared to Facebook and then somebody bought it. Yes, I am the one that bought the Grinchy Elf octopus. And mostly because look at that face. Is that not hilarious? He is so cute. Look at his little boots. And she's got her button on the bottom. And then she also included this. Cute. So I've got to figure out how I'm going to display my handmade ornaments because I also have my 2 sweater ornaments from Karen. And I also have my Pippin ornament from Angela. So I do have some Christmas ornaments I need to display that are from my crafty friends. I'm going to work on my mom's Christmas blanket for a little while. I will check in with you guys later. Can I just point out, that's a leaf sitting on the windowsill.
Interesting.
Hi, you guys. So for Vlogmas, I pointed out earlier, I did get the wine advent calendar from Aldi. I also got a chocolate advent calendar from Aldi. So I thought I would open these up. We'll see what I got here. Hopefully I can do this one-handed. Oh, I got a white chocolate. So I'm going to save this for lunch. That can go with my turkey sandwich. Does it tell me on the back what those are? That is a latte macchiato truffle. Chocolates and truffles. And let's see, this is day 1 of the wine. All right, I'm gonna have to pause this and get the, oh wait, the thumb hole's on the top. No? Yeah, I'm gonna have to pause this and see if I can at least get my thumb in there. Okay, so the thumb hole was on the side for day 1. Ooh, goodness. What do we have today? So we're starting off actually with a sparkling wine. I'm assuming, based on the shape of the bottle and stuff. So I'm going to pop that in the fridge. And tonight, if I need a little tipple, I will grab that out. Hi, you guys. So I'm getting ready to take a lunch break. I've been working on my mom's blanket. So I thought I'd take a break for lunch and start working on my first preemie blanket for Advent. My goal is to do 1 preemie blanket a week for every week of Advent. So thought I'd get started on my first one since today is the first day of Advent. Also, since I had this pulled out, I thought I'd go ahead and draw our winner. So our winner is Be Wowed by April Lee. I've already confirmed that she is a subscriber to my channel. So April, if you send me an email, Carrie_Penny@hotmail.com, I will get your box sent out to you this week. Hi, you guys. So it's like 7 o'clock. I'm sitting here in the craft room. I'm working on the inside of my cards. I'm cutting inserts to go on the inside. I've got Harry Potter playing up there. I did finish my little modest decorations in the craft room up there. So I've got my little ornament jar up there and stuff. So I'm starting the embellishment part and getting sentiments and everything else in there. So I figured I'd just kind of check in with you guys and let you know what's going on. Got quite a bit of stuff out. Got a fresh cup of coffee because my husband's so sweet. He brought me some. But yeah, I hope you guys are having fun. I hope this doesn't get too long with the giveaway and me just chatting at you guys at random today. All right, well, I will check in before I go to bed. Well, you guys, I'm pretty much popping in just to say goodnight. I hope you guys have had fun watching. And I will see you tomorrow.